Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're subscribed before, thank you. God bless you. So guys, in today's video I will be showing you guys on how to extract oil from lemon. As you can see guys, you all know that lemon oil is really nice. The oil is really good guys. You can use it in lighting up your skin, and you all know as well that lemon oil can be used for skincare, good for restoring dull skin. You can use it to rejuvenate strongly or tired skin guys, help in treating pimples and acne guys. So guys, I will be showing you guys on how I prepare lemon oil. Very easy, very natural, and very affordable as well. So after grating the lemon, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I'm going to put into the hot water, and I'm going to let it cook for about an hour, and I will be back to show you guys the results. So voila guys, so this is after 45 minutes of cooking. So what we are going to be doing next is to extract all the oil guys. I'm going to extract the oil with my strainer. I'm going to strain everything, then I'm going to be storing my oil, and it's ready to be used. So this is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Share this video, and thank you. Bye bye.